Danfoss Turbocore is the first magnetic levitation bearing and variable speed driven centrifugal compressor in the world. It is composed of two-stage centrifugal compression, magnetic bearings, high-speed permanent magnet motor, compressor control, motor and bearing control, and condition monitoring. The rotor and impeller are the only moving parts, which ensures high reliability and high compression efficiency. Danfoss Turbocore is the first to successfully introduce intelligent magnetic levitation bearings in compressor applications, which consists of radial and axial bearings. Permanent magnets do most of the suppression work, and electromagnets are used as a trim. This makes the motor run without any mechanical friction and keeps high efficiency. Electromagnetic levitation bearings are powered by pulse width modulation amplifiers to maximize efficiency. The bearing and sensors communicate and reposition the shaft digitally and keep the position deviation less than 7 microns. Magnetic levitation bearings make it possible to provide a totally oil-free design for air conditioning and process cooling applications. It eliminates all limitations with efficiency degradation caused by lubricant oil and makes the unit run with high performance and saves more than 50% maintenance cost. All new designs for high reliability are embedded in Danfoss Turbocore. In case small objects are sucked into the compressor, the auto balance feature of the bearing keeps the shaft precisely in the center of the bearings. In case of power outage, the motor turns into a generator and charges the DC bus capacitors so that the motor can come to a controlled stop and de-levitate as normal. In the event of a central controller failure, touchdown bearings are used to prevent contact between the rotor and other surfaces in order to protect the compressor. Danfoss Turbocore is equipped with the latest variable speed drive technology, which realizes a stepless capacity control ranging from 60 to 200 ton. With this technology, Danfoss Turbocore can adjust itself precisely to match the load and operating conditions for maximum efficiency, saving money for building owners. Danfoss Turbocore is the world's first truly smart compressor. Up to 150 points of performance and reliability information are continuously recorded. In the meantime, Danfoss Turbocore maintains communication with the chiller to fully utilize all the digital information, creating a fantastic, intelligent air conditioning system. Condition monitoring allows for digital control through remote access and data storage without additional cost. Danfoss Turbocore creates an entirely new era for HVAC. IPLV can reach 0.33. That's up to 50% higher than conventional constant speed chillers. High reliability design of all dimensions, ensuring a long-term reliable operation in most situations. Totally oil-free design eliminates friction loss, oil pollution, and fouling of heat exchangers so that the operating and maintenance cost savings keep coming year after year. It's very convenient to realize modularization with Turbocore compressors so as to satisfy the needs of larger capacity applications. Thanks to active vibration suppression control, there's no structure-borne vibration and less gas pulsation. Chiller can operate with a sound level less than 72 dB, which make it possible to maximize the business value of many commercial buildings. Danfoss Turbocore only draws a few amps to start, which lowers the inrush strike on the grid and therefore reduces investments on electrical protection. Compact in design, Danfoss Turbocore is 1/10 in weight and less than half the size of competitive compressors. It's very easy for delivery, installation, and maintenance. Danfoss Turbocore uses R134A, an environmentally friendly refrigerant with zero ozone depletion. Danfoss Turbocore is a fully owned company with Danfoss, the global component producer and solution provider in refrigeration and air conditioning, heating, and motor control areas with a history of over 70 years. With more than 60 modern factories, 100 branch companies and representative offices, 20,000 employees all over the world, we offer 250,000 of products every day and provide each customer with professional services. The TurboCore compressor is the world's first totally oil-free and variable speed-driven compressor specifically designed for the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry. It presents the future of 21st century compressor technology. We're committed to creating an ever beautiful life for you.